That's so cute. That's
Nuka
the house is
nuka
so
cola
cute.
cola nuka nuka cola cola
So
nuka
cool.
nuka cola cola.
Hi guys, sorry we didn't have an introduction, but in this video we're buying an ice cream with 24 karat gold, and we also bought Shopao, so I hope you like it.
So Chloe, how's your ice cream with gold? With 24 karat gold?
What gold is missing?
What did you do on it?
I ate it.
Huh?
I ate it.
What does it taste like? Describe it.
Yeah, nothing.
Does it taste like chocolate?
Gold tastes like nothing.
It doesn't taste anything?
Doesn't taste like anything.
Is it an edible chocolate? Edible gold?
Yes.
They said it was real gold.
It's real gold. It's 24 karat gold.
But how can you eat a real gold?
If you
If
make
you
it properly.
only eat a little bit, it's okay.
Huh?
If you only eat a little bit, it's okay.
Mhm.
What do you think about that, guy?
But if you eat a lot, it's poisonous.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Then why
You can
would
get
they-
metal
then-
poisoning.
Then why
Oh.
would, then why would they sell it?
You should
Because
come here.
You would
It's
only
in
eat one time.
what is this street?
It's in Chinatown.
It's in Chinatown.
Google it.
Yeah.
Matcha and more.
Huh?
Matcha and more.
Matcha and more. You should go. You should come here. And we also got Xiaopao. Show them the Xiaopao, Dad. It's $14. We bought it in
$14.50
in
in
Melawai. Huh?
Meilawa.
Turn it in the front.
It's hot.
It's that one. So good. Here's your Xiaopao. We got it in Melawai.
The cone.
The cone tastes bad?
I don't like the cone.
You don't like it?
I actually like the cone.
Eat it, Chloe. It's $10.
Xiaopao. The ice cream is how much, Dad?
Regular ice cream is $6. 24 karat gold
It's
is
$9.
$9. Look, she's wearing a Pokey shirt.
Ooh.
Oh, the girl. She's wearing her pokey shirt.
Oh yeah, we have the same shirt. My shirt. She's wearing the same shirt. My shirt, I got it from Japan.
Yeah.
Here is
Boo,
it.
boo, boo.
Look, look, look. It's good. It's pork inside.
You don't want it. It's alive or covered because
Huh?
mommy ate it. It's alive or covered because mommy ate it.
Mmm. Oh, good.
Dad, do you want this?
Matcha and more ice cream. They're in Chinatown, New York. Also, the Melawai, where they sell Xiaopao, pork bun. It's also in Chinatown. It's like 3 blocks away. So good.
I like the ice cream.
Hmm?
I like the ice cream, but I regret getting the matcha cone. I want to go.
Yeah.
Now I want the chocolate cone.
Yeah.
Daddy, how dare you?
It's kind of bitter.
Yeah, it's too bitter for me. It's too bitter for me. I don't like it.
Uh-huh. My husband got this one. What is that?
It's a matcha latte
Chocolate.
with 2% sweetener.
You want
Bitter. Dad, you eat her ice cream. She don't want it anymore.
Here you go. It's yours now.
She just doesn't want to deal with the garbage.
No, let me. Can I just have? Can I just drink the latte?
Mm.
Does it taste better?
Could be. Kind of bitter. I think you like it.
Oh, it tastes. Oh, I like it. Oh.
That's mine.
No. Ah.
I thought you don't like it, Dad.
I didn't say that.
I thought you don't like ice cream and the latte. That's what you said.
No, I give you the ice cream. I don't want the ice cream.
You don't want the ice cream?
Overexposed. You click me, then it fixes the
Mmm.
exposure.
Oh no, I like my.
Watch Peter McKinnon.
Hmm?
Who's Peter McKinnon?
cold.
My hands are cold.
It's so cold here inside the car, but outside it's so hot.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Mm. How is it, Dad? You like it?
Mm.
Chloe, can I drink a little bit?
Yes.
The matcha tastes like
Matcha?
life. It's bitter.
Welcome to the bitter bus. I don't know, struggling bus. Do you wanna come with us? In
Where?
the struggling bus?
It's struggle bus, mom. You
Oh.
don't say struggle bus.
Struggle bus.
The struggle.
You want to ride with us.
You wanna ride with us?
They
On
kept on
what?
saying that when we were in
On the
On a struggle bus.
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm sorry, I'm not born English. Bye. We have to go home.
Time for some struggle bus.
This is the struggle bus.
This is not a bus. Bye.